Their anger is a tool to intimidate you back into compliance, making you feel like you've done something wrong just by creating space for yourself. Next, if anger doesn't work, they might try to pull you back in with charm or promises. This behavior is called hoovering, just like the vacuum cleaner, because they're trying to suck you back into their world. You might get a flood of apologetic messages, unexpected gifts, or a sudden return of the charming person you first met. They'll promise they've changed and that things will be different this time. This isn't a genuine change of heart. It's a tactic to re-establish their supply of attention and control.